My name is Sydney Aguilar. I'm a student from Frederick Douglass High School reporting for Fayette County District here at the Keene Trace Golf Club. How does this golf championship support charities?
That's one of the wonderful things about all PGA Tour events. The PGA Tour gives back more money to charity every year than the other 4 major sporting groups in the country. And here locally through the Kentucky Championship, last year we eclipsed the $1 million mark, giving back to 6 amazing local charities. The money raised here stays here and impacts some amazing kids and families.
We spoke with the STEM learning coach at FCPS, Shad Lacefield, and Yuzil Batres about Keene Trace and how they strive to make the game of golf more inclusive. So, what is the name of the program that you are a part of?
I am on Bryan Station High School for the golf team, but I started with Shad at DSE, Deep Springs Elementary School, since 2018 until 2024.
The big part of our program, what we try to do is just access, like giving kids access to the game of golf. It's 100% free. Within that free philosophy, I'm able to put kids with our really good golfers that are in the community to give them a chance to learn the game in a really fun environment, be able to grow up in that game without it costing a whole lot. It's just been an awesome program, an awesome partnership within the PGA here and at Keene Trace.
This has been a look at what's been going on at Keene Trace Golf Club. My name is Sydney Aguilar from Frederick Douglass High School News Team.